Hello everyone, friends, followers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Papyu Electrical Electronics. Thank you and God bless us.
Pag may natutunan po kayo, please huwag kalilimutan mag-subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bell para ma-notified po kayo sa susunod kong video. Thank you and God bless us.